In this video we're going to look at using the left function to reduce the length of a text entry in our gender trim column in column D to one letter. Every letter that's saved in any file takes up storage space, so it's important wherever possible to minimize the amount of storage space required to store a file. Not only is it about saving storage space, by coding data allows us it stops errors being introduced easily into the data by typing just one letter rather than 5 or 6. So I'm going to show you how to use the left equals left function in order to reduce the gender entry to either M or F for male or female. So I'm going to follow the process that I did in the last video, so that I'm going to add a column between D and E. So I'm going to right click on column E, I'm going to insert a column, and again I'm going to make sure that I set the whole column property to a general format, otherwise the function won't work. So this one I'm going to call gender letter. Okay, and I'm going to use the equals left function to reduce the entry for each of the genders from male to M and female to F. So I'm just going to go equals left. Okay, going to open a bracket. It's going to ask me for the text that I want to use in my left function. So it's going to be the value in column D. So I'm going to select the male in the first column there, that first entry there, comma, and then it's asking me to identify the number of characters I want to include from the left. So if I put 2 in there, then the answer that I would get, let me show you, if I put 2 in there and I close the bracket, I'll get MA as the answer. Okay. If I put 3, I'd get MAL, and so on. So if I want to just include the first letter, I just need to put a 1 on that function and press enter, and now I get my letter M. So again, the same as I did last time, I'm going to use this square in the bottom corner of the cell to replicate the formula, and I'm going to use it to drag all the way down to the bottom of the entries, and there you can see that I've got a coded data M or F for male and female. That's how you use the left function to reduce storage space of data in the spreadsheet.